In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison of daily wellness options as I dive into this JellyFil review. This men's vitality gummy represents a growing trend in wellness, where the convenience of a gummy format is weighed against the potency of traditional capsules. When comparing JellyFil to standard market options, the biggest trade-off is the delivery method. Many supplements are built around high-dose powders that can be hard to swallow, whereas JellyFil offers a 9-ingredient proprietary blend in a palatable, once-daily gummy. It focuses on a gradual, botanical approach rather than the jittery, stimulant-heavy experience found in many energy products. The formula stands out by positioning itself as a stress management tool first. While some competitors only target physical stamina, JellyFil addresses the cycle of elevated cortisol and fatigue using ashwagandha. This is the formula's evidence anchor, supported by meta-analyses showing it can reduce cortisol and anxiety. However, a major contrast to note is the dosage. While many clinical trials use up to 600 milligrams of ashwagandha, JellyFil's entire proprietary blend is just 82 milligrams across 9 ingredients. This includes maca root, L-arginine for circulation, and small amounts of caffeine. It is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, which adds a layer of quality assurance over unverified imports. Ultimately, this gummy wins for the user prioritizing routine compliance and stress reduction over raw, high-dose stimulation. If you are looking for a practical way to support your daily energy and mental clarity without the crash, this might be the right fit for your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more supplement deep dives. Let me know in the comments if you prefer gummies or traditional capsules for your daily routine.